Hi everyone, merhaba, this is Ayşenur Altan. Welcome back to my channel. In this episode, I'm gonna share a recipe that I made when I was teenager. One of the first recipes I tried. We are going to make a fake chicken breast pudding with chocolate sauce. Çikolata soslu yalancı tavuk göğsü. The name might be different for you. It is because we have original pudding that has chicken breast in it. I used to share different versions, kazandibi, on my channel. You can check the links to get the recipe. It is very popular. You can find in sweet shops in Turkey. I'm still searching for the original recipe using the real chicken breast, but we do have it in some of the patisseries in Istanbul, and I take my followers when we have food walks together to taste it. In this version, first we are going to saute the flour in butter, which will result a nutty, rich flavor, and then add the milk. Cook it like a pudding. It doesn't have any eggs, by the way. Then we are going to mix it for a while to give some oozy texture. We're gonna complete it with a chocolate sauce. It's gonna be very delicious. So let's make it. Today my daughter is going to make the recipe for you. We have 100 grams of butter. After melting it, we added 1 cup of all-purpose flour and going to saute until it is light brown for about 5 to 7 minutes on low-medium heat. As you can see, the color changes and there is a nutty smell. And being careful with the steam, add 1 liter of whole milk while whisking vigorously. Continue to whisk until first it is smooth again, and then cook until it thickens and bubbly again on a low-medium heat. Add 1 cup sugar. We wanted to use a little bit less, so it is 1 finger less than 1 cup. Adding vanilla powder or vanilla extract you can use. And here you can see it is bubbling and thickened well. Just turn off the heat and continue to whisk with a hand mixer or either by hand with wire whisk for about 4 or 5 minutes. This process will give an oozing, different texture to the pudding. We discussed with my daughter how to serve our pudding. She insists using small glasses and individual serving, while I preferred a big rectangular or square pan because simply it is easier to serve and store in the fridge. And finally we agreed to try both and show you. For the chocolate sauce layer, in a medium-sized pan, add 1.5 tablespoons flour, 1 heaped tablespoons cornstarch, 3 heaped tablespoons cocoa powder, and 2 cups of milk, along with half cup water. Whisk until everything is mixed well, adding 1/3 of a cup sugar, and cook in a medium heat, whisking continuously until it thickens. Finally, as an option, add couple of pieces of bittersweet chocolate and turn off the heat. Continue to whisk from time to time to prevent forming a skin on top. And after it is cooled down completely, add 4-5 ice cubes and whisk vigorously until it melts. And our silky smooth chocolate sauce is ready to pour over our fake chicken breast pudding. First we covered our personal elegant looking glass and poured the rest to our good old glass serving plate. Finally, sift a nice coating of cocoa powder and we are ready to serve and taste it. It needed to rest a bit more to cool down, but we had to serve it while it is still sunny. I think you can understand from the serving even the texture of the pudding. It comes out stretchy, rich and flavorful. Serving the pudding looks really elegant, nice looking, but it takes time to either portion and also keep it in the fridge. What do you think? So my friends, as you can see, it has a very different texture, especially the bottom layer, similar to real chicken breast pudding. Hopefully I will share when I get a good recipe, the original one. Or otherwise, if you come to Istanbul, you can find me. We can have a food walk together and you can try the real version for yourself. In the upcoming episode, I'm gonna show you another traditional recipe. It's a type of köfte in Turkish cuisine, very popular. Kadın budu köfte has a cooked minced meat and also cooked rice in it, and coated with flour and egg mixture, then deep fried. It is very delicious. Stay tuned for the upcoming episodes. Please share your comments so others can see my videos more and I can reach to more people. And see you next time. Afiyet olsun. Sticky. It's nice. The dessert called kazandibi, it is made from tavuk göğsü, which has chicken breast in it originally. And nowadays it is hard to find places that make the traditional recipe, and this shop is one of them.